Hello everyone, so respectfully to my lecturer and my fellow friends, and welcome to this video. And my name is Wiyong Eun. My number metric was 04DE24F1031. So this this video is about our group's presentation about this case study. Okay, so the title was Hydroelectric Power Plants at Sungai Tenang. So I will read the background for you guys first. A hydroelectric power station known as the Sungai Tenang Hydroelectric Plant has been developed in a remote area to supply electricity to 3 nearby villages. The plant uses a water turbine connected to a generator to produce electricity. However, the construction of the dam alters the natural flow of the river, affecting aquatic ecosystem, sedimentation patterns, and water quality. To minimize the environment impacts, the plan implements environmental control systems such as fish ladders, sediment flushing system, and control water release mechanism. So that's got the two questions of this case study. So I will read the question first. Question 1. Based on the given case study, carry out 2 environment impacts resulting from the operation of a hydropower plant. Additionally, derive how the construction of a dam for hydropower generation affects the surrounding environment. And the question 2, assign 2 environment control systems used in hydropower plants and explain the function of each system. Additionally, write the advantage and disadvantage of hydropower generation in terms of installation cost and maintenance cost. Alright, let's see our slide first. Okay, the first slide. Alright, so I will go through some intro to our group first. So this case study title was Hydroelectric Power Plant at Sungai Tenang, and my course for this was DET 30143 Power System. So we got three members of 3 group members. That was Wiyong Eun, that was me, and 2 others was Nurul Ain binti Muhammad Sulaimin and Muhammad Zami Aiman bin Muhammad Zamri. Alright. Okay. Next to introduction. Hydropower generation. So this is my points. Hydropower use flowing water to generate electricity. Power stored in a dam reservoir. Water flows through turbines, and turbines through generator to produce electricity. Okay. Hydropower is a method of generating electricity using flowing water. A dam stores water in a large reservoir. So when the water is released, it flows through the turbines, and then the turbines spin the generator which produces the electricity. Hydropower is considered renewable because it uses the natural water cycle. Okay. So next slide. Environmental impacts 1. This description of aquatic ecosystem. And then dams block fish migration, change natural river flow, reduce biodiversity. Alright. Okay. 1. Environmental impact of hydro dam is this description of aquatic ecosystem. When a dam block a river, the fish cannot migrate upstream for breeding. This will affect the fish populations and may reduce biodiversity in the river environment. Okay. Next slide. environmental impacts too. Sedimentation changes. Another environment impact is sedimentation. So normally, rivers carry sediment downstream naturally. However, the dams trap sediment in the reservoir. Over time, this can reduce the water storage capacity and affects the nutrients available to downstream ecosystem. So the next slide was effect and dam construction. Okay, the construction of dams can also affect the surrounding environment. Large areas of land may be flooded to create the reservoir. This may destroy the forest and wildlife habitats. The natural flows and quality of river water may also change. Okay, so this is the next slide will be my another group member, Miss Nurul Ain. So I will see you guys next.
Environment control system. To reduce environmental damage, hydropower plants use environmental control system. A fish ladder allows fish to pass the dam and continue their migration. A sediment flushing system removes sediment buildup to maintain the reservoir capacity.
My name is Muhammad Zamir MMB1 Samri. Numerimetry is 04DE24F1014. Advantage of the hydropower benefit. The renewable energy source, low maintenance cost, no air pollution during the operation. Hydropower has several advantages. It is a renewable energy source because it uses water. After installation, the maintenance cost is relatively low. Hydropower also produces the electricity without the air pollution. Next is the disadvantage of the hydropower limitation. High installation cost, environmental impact, possible relocation of the communities. Hydropower has several advantages. It is the renewable energy source because it uses water. After the installation, the maintenance cost relatively low. Hydropower also produces the electricity without air pollution.
Hello guys, it's me again. So this conclusion part was me. Okay. In conclusion, hydropower is one of the most important renewable energy source used to generate electricity. It uses the natural movement of water to produce water, which make it environmentally friendly compared to fossil fuels such as coal and gas. However, the construction and operation of hydropower plants can also create environment impacts. For example, dams can describe the aquatic ecosystem, block fish migration, and change the natural flow of river. Sedimentation can also occur in reservoir and affect the downstream environment. Okay, like this. Because of this issue, environmental control systems such as fish ladders and sediments flushing system are very important. This system can help reduce the negative effects of hydropower plants on the environment. Overall, hydropower remains a reliable and sustainable energy source, but it must be carefully planned and managed to ensure that environmental impacts are minimized. Through this case study of the hydroelectric power plant at Sungai Tenang, we can better understand both the benefits and challenge of hydropower generation. This is all from our groups. Thank you for listening to our presentation. So I will see you next time. Thank you.